Today is an exciting day. We lay in the keel of Bering 110. It's a newly developed product. I will tell you a little bit later how we come up to this nice boat, but I tell you today it's my favorite boat. It's all makes sense in this boat, and today is a beginning of new era of explorers of 34-33 meter range. I think it makes sense. This boat is versatile, this boat is perfect as a yacht, as an explorer, as a dwelling. It covers all the bases. We had the freedoms to adjust a lot of things. We perfected this boat in the size of, to be exact, 108.6, which is 33 meters. It's clearly in the class of 105, 110 foot. It's a lot of boats in this size.
Selection choice for Explorer yacht was mostly based over the internal volume that you get relative to the length overall. They're always quite voluminous boats, which obviously gives a lot of interior space for a relatively short waterline length. The client was quite insistent on the fact he wanted a still hold vessel, just for the versatility of the vessel and the ability to go off the beaten track into some different locations, not traditional with traditional yachting. And just also working with this shipyard because they were so open-minded to changes to the configuration and the technical specification of the vessel that other shipyards weren't quite so willing to offer.
This boat is perfect for long-range passages. The range of this boat is close to 6,000 miles. We have a large freezers, refrigerators, pantries. It's laid out like classical laid out of Superyacht. We have 4 staterooms down, we have master forward, we have 2 salons, and we have a good boat deck. In a way, it's classical explorer / yacht. It have a big beach club, which is versatile. You can use it as a lazarette, as a storage. You can use it as a gym. It's a compact size super yacht with a great range, with a great function. It's Bering. All right, cheers.
For the yachts are to cruise around Turkey and local areas here, and then head into a summer season into the Mediterranean.
We laid the keel. Let's see how it's going to develop. We will keep on posting you with the development of the construction.